What's this one?
Kidna.
A kidna.
I did it.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Wombat.
That is a little wombat.
What's this one?
Platypus.
Yep.
What's this one?
Here.
Yeah, that's it. Lorikeet.
Lorikeet.
I'm not.
Couldn't remember that one?
What's this one?
Kangaroo.
And what's this little one?
Shark.
Yeah, that's a shark.
Need to tell. You like this one the best?
I like this one.
What's that one?
Wombat.
Wombat.
With Sandy.
Yeah, your Sandy brought those, huh?
Like this one, and you like this one.
I do it like the lorikeet.
You love this one. I love this one, and you love this one.
Whoa, what'd you just fling at me? The echidna?
Thank you.
He's spiky.
Thank you.
Do you remember where all these animals live?
Yeah,
What's the name of the country Aunt Sandy went to?
Chicago.
Chicago. She goes there sometimes. She went to Australia. Yeah.
I love this one. And Daddy
Hey,
loves this one.
sit down, please.